So if you have a clicking noise, like click click, you try to start the bike, start the fire. But if it just clicks, this is basically the solenoid clicks or the relay. Could be one or two things. This, you gotta replace the whole assembly or the starter. I would recommend you smacking the starter while you try to crank it up, because I replaced that and I didn't check the starter, and I smacked it with a screwdriver while I started up. I started right up. Let's see if we reproduce the sentence again. See? Not even cranking. But if you do this, the starter's right, this one right beneath the radiator. There goes your issue. Either a starter, usually it's these guys. Test them out first. Let's see. Usually I recommend using a test light. Test if there's power coming here. If there's power coming here, then this is good. If it's not, and there's no power there, then you gotta replace this whole assembly. Like, power to power. Power's gonna come through here to go to the starter. If there's no power there, it won't reach the starter, so you gotta replace this first. But if there's power to there, smack the starter.